Hello everyone and welcome to this Cookiebot and Drupal configuration tutorial. This is the second video of a series of 3 videos. I'm Raffaele, Drupal ambassador and engineer at Hintu, a Drupal company that works with complex system integrators. This video is in partnership with Cookiebot, a CMP cookie management platform. In this second video, we're gonna cover the configuration of Drupal. You can find the previous videos in the description. We want to configure Drupal to print the cookie declaration inside a Drupal content, a Drupal node. So we already have our local Drupal environment, and we need to share it inside the network, so that the Cookiebot servers can reach our Drupal installation. We will use ngrok to share this our local website. Once that we've shared our installation of Drupal, we can provide a scan from the Cookiebot server. We need to add our domain into the Cookiebot console. So we need to first add our ngrok domain inside the console. Once that we've added our domain, we need to perform the first scan of our website. Usually the scan starts automatically, but if it does not start, you can also run it manually. Once that our scan is completed, Cookiebot will identify the type of the cookies that are available on our website. In this case, it will also define the categories of our cookies. And we log in inside the Drupal platform, so we can complete the configuration and insert the content that we're going to share. So as you can see, ngrok has been scanned from the Cookiebot console. It identified some cookies of marketing type and also an unclassified cookie that is the Olivero standard cookie of Drupal. And we are able to insert a description, and we can also insert the category for the unclassified cookies. In this case, we insert the category of our cookies and save the changes. Now we can go to the content, add our new Drupal node. In this case, we insert a basic page. We name the page cookie declaration and we save the content. Once that we save the content, we're going to configure the cookie declaration cookie inside the Cookiebot configuration page. And we choose the node page title field, in this case, we associated it to the cookie declaration. We save the configuration. And in this case, we can see that inside our node, the cookie declaration has been generated by Cookiebot. So in the bottom, you can see all the identified cookie from Cookiebot into the first scan. So in the first scan, you have Olivero, but the state is pending. The state is pending because we didn't identify a purpose. So we go into the admin console of Cookiebot and insert the purpose description of our cookie. So in this case, we use this cookie is necessary to manage the state of the sticky bar, for instance, and save the changes. We refresh the page. We need to go to configuration and clear the cache of Drupal sometimes. So once that the cache is cleared, we will find the new cookie declaration of Drupal with the new state. So this cookie is necessary to manage the state of the sticky bar as we inserted before inside the Cookiebot admin console. Also into the banner, you can find the section with the cookies and with our new cookie and the description that we just inserted. Also, other configurations of Drupal, you can provide also a custom block. So cookie declaration could be provided inside a block of Cookiebot. If you can insert the block in the region that you want. We want also to provide a menu link with the cookie decoration, and so what we're going to do, we'll add a new voice into the footer menu of Drupal. We can insert the cookie link, that the link title is cookie policy, and we link it to the same cookie decoration that we linked before. So going back to the website, we have into the footer a cookie policy link, and our cookie policy link is filled with the cookie decoration, basically. So thanks for watching this video. We appreciate your time, and we hope you find the content enjoyable. Don't forget to follow us on into.com, that is our website. And thank you again for being part of the Drupal and Cookiebot community.